Yesterday, I watched a bird struggling to fly. Its wing looked bent, but it kept trying. Each fall was followed by another attempt. I thought, what's the point? It'll never make it. But then, as I walked away, I heard a flutter. That bird, battered and awkward, was off the ground. It didn't soar, but it moved forward. And that's what struck me. Progress doesn't have to be perfect to matter. Sometimes, just showing up and trying is enough to defy the odds. Success isn't always flight. Sometimes it's the courage to rise again.
Subscribe Mystic Tales Studio channel for more interesting stories. Have a nice day.